Welcome to HomeGlow Studio. We are so glad to have you here. If you're someone who believes that every space, no matter how small or broken, has the potential to become a masterpiece, you've found your home. Before we reveal the secrets of this transformation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join our global community of creators and let's redefine luxury together. This was our starting point, a 10 by 10 study room that the world had simply given up on. Piles of trash, broken furniture, and walls that were literally peeling away. But behind the dust, there was a dream of a silent sanctuary, a place where one could escape the noise of the world and find peace among books. To most, this was a disaster. To us, it was an opportunity. Luxury is easy when you have an unlimited budget, but we only had $5,000. Every design we initially tried felt either too cluttered or too basic. We spent weeks sketching layouts and testing furniture concepts that just didn't hit that high-end mark. We wanted that elusive luxury feel, but the budget was a constant shadow. We almost lost hope until we decided to change the strategy. We're about to head into the most satisfying part of the renovation, the transformation phase. If you're finding this journey inspiring so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more dreamers like you. Also, comment below. If you had $5,000, which room in your house would you transform first? I read every single comment. The process was gritty. We stripped the walls, repaired the ceiling, and cleaned every inch until the room was a blank canvas. Look at the transition in image 7. The air is clear, the floor is spotless, and the light is finally reflecting off the walls. This is where smart luxury begins, by simplifying the space before adding to it. Now, the real work begins. We started by tackling the layers of history left behind. Using a systematic cleaning approach, we cleared the grit and sorted through the remains. As the message on the wall reminds us, progress of the self begins when you clear the chaos. We used heavy-duty vacuums and organized everything into bins separating archive, texts from instruments. This isn't just cleaning, it's reclaiming the space. With the debris gone, the room's skeleton finally emerged. We stripped it down to the bare arches and the herringbone floors. This is the silent phase of design, where we sit with the blueprints and study how the natural light hits the stone. We decided to keep the architectural integrity of the arches while planning for minimalist, built-in shelving that wouldn't overcrowd the 10 by 10 footprint. Then came the most satisfying part, the color transformation. To get that high-end gallery feel, precision is everything. We meticulously taped the edges and laid down protective sheets. We chose a sophisticated muted taupe color that feels expensive and timeless. Seeing the rollers breathe new life into these old walls was the moment we knew the $5,000 budget was going to achieve something truly spectacular. Looking at these different themes, from the onyx black to the heritage arches, it's clear that luxury is a feeling, not just a price tag. HomeGlow Studio is all about bringing that feeling to your home. Which of these designs fits your personality? Are you a dark and moody creator or a light and airy dreamer? Let's chat in the comments. handleless cabinets, textured panels, and hidden compartments. Script section. Our final design secret is stealth storage. True luxury is about keeping the mess out of sight. We implemented push-to-open technology on all cabinets, removing the need for expensive hardware and handles. This seamless look is a hallmark of ultra-expensive homes. By using textured 3D wall panels instead of pricey stone, we added a tactile luxury feel that cost us less than $400, but looks like it cost $4,000. This frame is the heart of our $5,000 miracle. We used vertical oak shelving to draw the eye upward, making a small 10 by 10 room feel twice as tall. Instead of expensive custom builds, we used premium laminates that perfectly wrap around these historic stone arches. The real game changer, layered lighting. By highlighting the textures instead of the whole room, we created that $1 million executive glow without the heavy price tag. This frame captures the essence of HomeGlow Studio. We didn't just add furniture, we respected the architecture. By wrapping affordable oak laminates around these historic stone arches, we created a custom, built-in look for a fraction of the cost. Notice the warm accent lighting. It highlights the textures of the stone and wood, creating a deep, premium atmosphere. In a 10 by 10 space, this isn't just a desk. It's a masterclass in budget luxury. If this transformation inspired you to rethink your own space, don't forget to subscribe to HomeGlow Studio for more budget-friendly luxury ideas. Hit that like button and drop a comment below to let us know which design was your favorite. Your support truly motivates us to keep creating. Remember, no space is too small for a big dream. See you in the next one.